Disaster happens when you least expect it. So you've decided to back up your files, but backups can be tricky sometimes. Your data keeps growing every day. It's easy to lose track of file management, making it impossible to manually copy files one by one. At the end of the day, you might tell yourself, I'll back it up tomorrow. Introducing C2 Backup, our cloud-based backup solution that comes built in with a number of great features. With just one backup task, you can back up not only your files, but also all of your applications and system configurations on a regular basis. Simply set a daily or event-triggered backup schedule whenever your device is powered on, signed out of, or when the screen is locked. Your data will be protected automatically. With your data security and privacy in mind, we make sure that your data is encrypted at all times, including during transit and in storage. On top of that, the use of incremental backup allows you to save time, storage space, and bandwidth by only backing up modified data. For restoration, C2 Backup provides flexible options by keeping multiple versions of your backups. So when disaster strikes, you can both recover an entire device and download individual files. You can manage all of your devices and important information in one place using the clear and simple dashboard. Ready to get started? We provide two different storage options, 300 GB and 2 TB for your backup plans. Both of these plans come with unlimited devices, making them a great choice for both personal and family use. Unlimited backup without breaking the bank. Get started with C2 Backup.